What's your daily routine like in terms of productivity, health, energy, and everything? I'm curious what it is. What is it, and
Yeah,
also your mindset.
yeah. I learned over time, right? You really need to
Mm.
have a solid routine. I'm a big routine guy.
Yep, cool. So
So for
routines. Yep.
example, yeah, a big. So my typical. So today's a little different day because woke up a little bit early, but usually I wake up about 5 o'clock, so not that much earlier. So I wake up at five
Yep.
o'clock. Immediately after that, I roll out of bed. I go change, brush my teeth, and I go do a power 30-minute workout. So
Okay.
it's about 5:15 to about 5:45. I
Mm-hmm.
do a power workout at home. It's 360 to 480 repetitions of a specific muscle group. Very targeted, 8 to 10 minutes of abs. All right, I hit it hard, very hard, and then and the whole time where I'm working out, I'm only listening to things that'll make me better. That could be, great podcasts like this. It
Mm,
could be an audio book. Someone's going to teach me something. Okay.
mm, mm.
After that, shower, change, go downstairs to my home office, right? And then I go and I actually will write out my 1, 3, and 5 year goals.
Nice. Okay.
So I write all my goals out, right? I do all that, and then I spend a little bit of time and I visualize, right? So I have something that's called a vivid vision,
Mm-hmm.
but I have a pretty comprehensive thing where I've written it all out. I've written out my personal values, what I want to be known for, who I need to become,
Mm.
and 1 year from now, if someone was to film me with a camera, they're filming with a camera, what my schedule would look like 1 year from now, assuming I achieved every single one of my 1 year goals.
Mm. Okay.
It's all written out. It's like wake
Mm.
up at 5 o'clock,
So
do this. I
you've
feel
designed
amazing.
your perfect day, like perfect average day in
Right.
one
My
year's time.
perfect
Okay.
average day, assuming I've achieved every single one of my goals. Right.
Mm.
So it's like it's a little if someone's to like film me and then write it all out, well, it's not just what I did, but how do I feel? Right? It's like it
Mm.
feels
That's
awesome to
interesting.
be
Yeah.
able to do this, right? And then I've taken all of that content that I've written out and I've recorded myself going through it. And there's some meditation exercises too as part of it that I walk myself through, recorded that.
Mm. Mm.
So I literally, like once I get to write my goals out, I sit down, close my eyes, and I hit play on my phone.
Yeah. Okay.
And I visualize and I go through and essentially I'm meditating and visualizing at the same time, all those things,
Yeah.
right? It takes about 10 minutes for that part of the process. So what's happening that sets me up to get going, right? And then after that, go through affirmations for like 5 minutes, some affirmations, okay? And then from there, I'll usually will start work, right? So I'll
Mm.
start work. So and then I'll start work, and my day's a mixture of different things. So the cool part now is I have way more flexibility.
Yeah.
I'm not traveling, so I'll probably work for like an hour or so. My kiddo will wake up, I get him ready for school. We have his breakfast. He's 3. He has breakfast. I get him ready for school. I drop him off, and then
Yeah.
I'll come back, and then I might have I usually do like 2-3 podcast interviews a week now,
Mm.
consistently. It's because it's for awareness. So
Nice.
I go maybe do call podcast interviews, maybe some client calls, probably some content creation,
Mm.
right? Some LinkedIn prospecting, engaging with my audience, going in there, generating leads. Depending on what
Mm.
day it is, it might be a live webinar,
Yep.
right? So usually it's pretty robust. It's usually very well planned out.
Mm.
Quite a bit of stuff that needs to be done
Yep.
because just like anything else, it's very easy to get distracted as an entrepreneur.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like you see like Grant Cardone do something. Oh crap! I should be doing that too, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
let me slow down. Let me focus on my game.
Yeah.
He's playing a different level. We'll get there. We'll get there. Slow down. We'll get there.
Damn it,
So
I'll get that private jet soon. All right, just
yeah,
wait.
we'll get that eventually. So yeah, but that's my typical like routine though from that piece, right? Really
Okay.
important. Actually, let me keep going. So after the day is pretty much over, at the end of the day, because there's also a PM routine too.
Okay, good.
At the end of the day, after my kid goes to sleep, unfortunately he goes to sleep kind of late, but after he goes to sleep, I'll sit and that's when I'll do my gratitude list. So I'll do my
Nice.
gratitude list at the end of the day. Just 3 to 5 things I'm really grateful for, right?
Mm-hmm.
Write them all out. Really, really important. Write them all out. I'll review my goals again, right? My 1 through 5. I won't write. I'll just read them,
Okay.
right? I'll meditate for like 5 minutes, and
Mm-hmm.
then I'll read for a little bit too. I'll
Okay.
read for like 10 minutes. Something's gonna feed my brain, and then from there, then I sleep.